Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to fix your neck hump. A neck hump, also known as dowager's hump or buffalo hump, is a noticeable lump that develops at the base of the neck. It can be caused by poor posture, aging, or medical conditions such as osteoporosis. In this step-by-step guide, we will take you through some simple exercises that can help to reduce the appearance of a neck hump and improve your posture. Step 1. Stretching. The first step to fixing your neck hump is stretching. To do this, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms at your sides. Tilt your head back and look up towards the ceiling, stretching your neck muscles. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds before bringing your head back down to its neutral position. Next, tilt your head to the right and hold for 10 to 15 seconds before returning to the center. Repeat this stretch to the left side. Finally, tilt your head forward and hold for 10 to 15 seconds before returning to neutral. Repeat this set of stretches 3 to 4 times per day. Step 2. Strengthening. The second step to fixing your neck hump is strengthening exercises. Start by sitting in a chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head and gently push your head back into your hands. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds before releasing. Next, sit up straight and pull your shoulder blades together. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds before releasing. Finally, stand with your back against a wall and push your head back into the wall, using your neck muscles to resist. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds before releasing. Repeat these exercises 3 to 4 times per day, gradually increasing the duration and resistance over time. Step 3. Lifestyle changes. In addition to stretching and strengthening, there are some lifestyle changes you can make to help reduce the appearance of a neck hump. First, make sure you are sitting and standing with good posture, keeping your shoulders back and your head aligned with your spine. Avoid slouching or looking down at your phone for extended periods. Second, make sure you are getting enough calcium and vitamin D in your diet, as these are essential for bone health. Finally, consider speaking to your doctor about any medical conditions that may be contributing to your neck hump, such as osteoporosis or thyroid issues. In conclusion, fixing your neck hump can be achieved through a combination of stretching, strengthening exercises, and lifestyle changes. By incorporating these steps into your daily routine, you can improve your posture, reduce the appearance of a neck hump, and promote overall bone and muscle health. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.